how to insert signature in Microsoft Word. Now, how you can do so? So let me just minimize this, right? So you can say it very in a good way. Now here, to insert a signature in Microsoft Word, you have several options depending on whether you want to use a digital signature, an image of your handwritten signature, or simple signature line. Now open your document and here start by opening the Word document where you want to add the signature. So let's say I just want to add it here in the end, right? You can just press the enter if you didn't wrote anything here. Let's say it's here. Right now here, go to the review tab. So here you will get this option of review on the top menu bar here. Inside the review, uh, there's a in the protect group, click on sign button. So here there is an option of protect. So just go and click on here, and here you will get this option of there's an option of you will get this option of sign and choose add a digital signature. If you don't have one, you can create it by following the prompt that appears. Click sign. Now here you have to position your cursor where you want to place the sign here, and then you have to go to the insert section. Once you go to the insert section here in the text group, so here you will find this option of text. Now this is a text box, right? And once I go and click on here, I just go and press on this one, right? Because this is perfect. Now I can just place it wherever I want in a this way, right? And once I do this, choose Microsoft Office signature line, right? And a dialog box will open where you can enter details such as your signature name, title, and email, just as you can see here over the screen. Now click OK to insert the box here. So let me just erase each and everything here, right? And once I go and click on here, we can change the text and position and everything right now. And here, create a signature, write a signature on paper and scan it to take a clear photo, right? Open your Word document, go to the insert tab, and here we have to go to the insert, and then we have to go to the pictures. Now we have to go to this device and select the image here, right? And we have to place that image here, right? And once you add the image, it will just look like in a perfect signature box here, right? And resize or format the image are necessary to fit with your document. So this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching.